What's going on, YouTube family? The man, the myth, the ZX Predator, coming at you with a short video. And I picked up a jacket from, this is from the Netherlands, Ozone. And shout out to a new friend that I made. His name is Lucas. Probably be riding with him in the near future. But this jacket rocks. Let me tell you, this is the coolest looking, man, look at that. So I'm gonna, yeah, man, this is see. Oh man, I'm gonna have to do like a video on this. But man, this is really nice. So Ozone, get some stuff. I'm liking it. That black and red, I haven't seen anything like that before. So just get like that back shot in. Pause. Let me know what you guys think. Ozone. I'm gonna do some research into this jacket. I'm usually using Alpine Stars or my Dainese jackets, but hey, good stuff nonetheless. Feels nice and comfortable, and a large actually fits me. But that goes to say, again, this is from the Netherlands. He had purchased it. I guess his in-laws bought it for him, and he didn't need it. And then he has two cruisers. A Harley that looks like a Road Glide, and another 2001 bike. But this looks wild. I'm liking this. Got some Batman stuff going on here. This is like Guyver or some superhero thing, but I like it. Let me know what you guys. Gonna do the zoom in on that. Man, that looks good. That black and red, man. Good stuff. That's it. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. The man, the myth, the ZX Predator. I know I've been slacking with my videos, but they will be coming out. It's going to be like a dump during off season. So see you on the next one. Peace.